Good morning, students. Today I am continuing at chapter 3rd, Programming with Inheritance. So, the next topic of today is abstract class. So, abstract class is a class whose object cannot be created. So, the abstract class is work only as a base class. Class is the one that simply represents the concept and whose object cannot be created is known as the abstract class. The next topic is the abstract method. We can also create the abstract method with the help of abstract keyword. This is the syntax of abstract class. So we can create an abstract method with this following syntax: public abstract void display, and here will be a semicolon. Or we can also create the abstract method in this way. So in base class, the definition of abstract method we cannot write. So it is compulsory in the drive class that the abstract method definition should be there. Now see the example. Here we are declaring a display function in an abstract class shape, and we are not explaining here the definition of this function. We are writing the definition of display function only in the drive class. So here are the two drive class. One class is a circle and second one is the rectangle, and in both we are writing the definition of display function. And the next topic is a interface. So interface is a collection of constant variables and abstract method. Java does not support the multiple inheritance, but we can implement the multiple inheritance with the help of interface. So here we are creating a interface car interface, and here we are declaring a constant variable no color string type, and the value of no color is empty. Second, the value of the red color is red and the value of the blue color is blue. And here these are the abstract method in car interface. And now I am implementing here a class with the help of interface. Public class car, implement a car interface, and here is the two variable. One is the color, second one is the velocity. This is the constructor of this class. So in this we are using the constant variable which I have already defined in the interface car interface, and here these are the programming of abstract method in this class. Now here I am explaining the solution of question 46, which was in the yesterday as home assignment. So there is a base class t2 point, and the variable of this is a x and y. This is the constructor of base class, so we are assigning the value 0.0 and y equals 0.0 because this is the default constructor. And here this is the parameterized constructor, so we are assigning x equal nx and y equal ny. This is the function for calculating the distance between two parameters, current object, and so we are taking here the variable answer equals 0.0, and here answer equal mat.sqrt mat.pow and this dot x minus v dot x. So this is the value of current object x, and this is the value of passing object. So this formula is given in the question and return the value of answer. And now here we are creating another class d3 point extend of d2, and here is the one variable of z, and this is the constructor of drive class. So before the drive class, the constructor of base class should be execute. So we can write a super, or this will automatically execute a default constructor. So we are mentioning only z equals 0.0, and this is the parameterized constructor of drive class. So we are sending a to value for a base class, and here we are assigning the value of z, and in this we are calculating the distance between current object and passing objects, and the formula is given in the question. So we are writing here the Java expression for that: mat.sqrt mat.pow this.x minus v.x power of 2 and plus mat.pow this.y minus v.y power of 2 plus mat.pow this.z minus v.z. So the answer of this will be stored in the answer variable, and we are here returning the answer. And in this question we have not write the main function, so your question is completed here. Now takes the one more example, function overloading in inheritance. So here is a one class name max. There is a two variable integer m comma n, and here is the constructor, and this is the function get max. Find the value of find the greater value between x and y. Second is a find greater, and the three variable, and here is the constructor, and this is the function for find the greater value between 3 q, r and s. So just see the solution of this question. Class find x integer m comma n, this is the constructor for that, and here we are finding the greater number between two integer x and integer y. So if x is greater y, then return x, and else return y. Now here we are making a next class, derived class find great extend of find max. Here are the three variable x, y, z. This is the constructor of drive class, and this is one of the function which is given in this question: integer q, integer r, comma integer s, passing variables. So here we are finding the greater number between 3, that is p, that is q, r and s. So first condition is if the q is greater than r and q is greater than s, then return the value of q. If the value of r is greater than q and r is greater than s, then return the value of r, otherwise return the value of s. And in this question we have to make the main function. So first we are creating the object of drive class find great obj equal new find great, and here we are calling the function of great max, which is the base class function that is required the two value. So the answer of this will be stored in A1, and in next line we are calling the function of great max, which is finding the greater number between 3, and the answer of this is stored in A2, and here we are printing the value between 2, and in this statement we are printing the greater value between 3.